Hi, today I'm going to show you how to embed your Lovable AI app in Shopify. So, in order to do this, first of all, open Shopify and Lovable. Now, navigate to Shopify, click on Online Store. Here, what you're simply going to do is click on Themes and choose Customize. It will take you to your theme editor. Here, you're going to click on Add section under Template. Now, search for Custom Liquid. If you don't find it, you can search in this section here. Now, when you choose custom liquid, you'll have to take it and drag it at the top or at any place you want to add it. Now, click on custom liquid and you will see a space here. Now, what you're going to do is simply search for embed HTML embed code. Now, scroll down and click on W3 School's site. Now, this will take you to this page where you'll have to scroll down and choose add an HTML page code. So copy this code, select it, right click, click on copy. Now navigate back here and add that code in the liquid code section. Now navigate to your Lovable site. Here you'll have to scroll down and choose the project that you want to embed to Shopify. Now click on publish and choose the web address. As you can see, it is just right here. Right click, click on copy link, navigate back to Shopify and you will see a text saying snippet.html code. Simply remove it and paste the code that we just copied from Lovable here. Now you'll be able to see your Lovable Sites project just right here. Now you can easily increase the height and width of this. For example, 500 or 700 and the width to be 800. Now as you can see, we just embedded our application from Lovable here on Shopify. So that's a simple way through which you can do this. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.